Hey, Skelly. So why am I standing out here next to the road trying to freeze? Well, because we just noticed something this morning. There is a notice on the front door, closer view, of Samba Caramba. It's a little boom boom place next to our house. The plate basically says that they don't have a fire permit of some sort. So, yeah, that's something I'm going to have to remember, because the next time I hear boom boom, I'm calling the fire marshal and trying to find out if they ever got their license. I've been wondering why they haven't been going nuts the last couple of weekends. Maybe this had something to do with it. So, anyway. Down this name on YouTube.